All right, here it is, my Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. $217.53 with the goods all said and done. I had an overage money maker of $5.06, and as always, that total includes the tax. We gotta keep it real on our coupon boast here, real accurate. Week of February 23rd for me, February 23rd to March 1st, or February 22nd to February 28th if you live out of the state of Florida or in West Florida or whatever. But I'm down south, so it's Thursday, the first day of the sale. I'm trying to do this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off. Wow, we're gonna get into these 20 or so really good deals this week, and yeah, some good money makers here. So some of these deals I did last video, but I'm gonna show you them again. They're still good up until Friday. The Nivea body wash, not as good because I didn't have the coupons.com. I redeemed that, but still a great deal. $4.39 for these. Factor the tax for two of them, $9.44. There is a manufacturer coupon from the Save February 5th that takes $3 off. There is also a extra savings book coupon that expires tomorrow, February 24th. So if you want to do that deal, do it quick. That takes $2 off. I used two of them because I got two items, and one of those because that's $3 off of two. So that's $9.44 spent when you factor the tax. $7 to the good, $2.44 total. So a pretty good deal. Check your coupons.com. If you spend over $20, you get a $6 on that. Also, this glitched with a bottle rebate last week, but I think it expired now. But definitely check coupons.com on that, so maybe you can do even better. Thermacare heat wrap, regular price is $8.49. Check your clearance. It's just on the shelf, but it was on clearance for $4.49. No, $4.24 it was. And there is a manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source January 29th. Takes $1.50 off. Coupons.com at $1.50 rebate. Bought it as $1 off, so made that guy only 24 cents for that guy right there. So always check clearance and stuff like that. I just saw that. Came out to be a good one. Allegra 12 count right here. Regular price $11.99. There is a Publix digital coupon for $5 off. There's also a store coupon, extra savings book for $5 off, so made that only $1.99. Also check your Ibotta. Last week I did this deal, and there was like a $10 one that glitched, so it was like a $8 moneymaker. But for me today, it was $1.99 for that. And as always, I'm working up to something, so I was going over $75. Did this in two transactions, each time going over $75. Which gave me an extra $20 off, $10 off, and $10 off. The Sprouts competitor coupon. Competitor coupon works as if it's a competitor, Winn-Dixie, Kroger, wherever, one of their competitors within like a 5-mile radius, they'll honor this coupon. So for me, down in Tampa, Florida, there's Sprouts, so they honored this coupon, and I did in two transactions. It gave me $20 to get. So I was working up to that, and I was over $150 on this in the two transactions. All right, Fast Twitch was on sale, and that's $2.99, just a regular price. There is Publix digital coupon for a free one if you haven't redeemed it. So I had one that I redeemed this. It was just $3.21 with tax. $2.99 came off, 22 cents total. They don't take you the tax off on your free. It's not really free because you got to pay the tax. But hey, it was definitely free. It was a $5.06 overage moneymaker. And we'll get into that. Tate's cookies. This time it's only a limit of one, so I did buy three, but then I had to return two of them on my Ibotta because there's a Publix digital coupon for a free one. So pick up your free mini bag, 1 ounce. These are by the register. Sometimes they have them on the power panels, they're called, like right on the end cap, the side of the end caps. That is my new term, the power panel. These are just $1. They're regular $1.25. They're on sale for $1. Ibotta also has $1 back on that, and when you line those edges up, it kind of comes off. So that is another $1 to the good. Made that $1 overage for that Tate's cookie. Simple gum. I did this deal last week, and if you can find that peppermint, it is on clearance. It was on clearance at my store for $1.25. So for two of them was $1.35, $1.34. The manufacturer printable. I got the link and a detailed breakdown. I'm saying everything I'm saying. Just hit that more button. Show more, and it'll show you more. It'll show you a whole breakdown of everything, a detailed breakdown and links to print the coupon like this one here. You can print $1.34 I paid because it was on clearance, and the manufacturer printable coupon was $1 to the good. Ibotta has $1 to the good as well. Made that a 66-cent overage right there. All right, guys, Tena pads. There they are. Okay, I didn't put them on the table because, okay, yeah. Not really on sale this week, but I'm going to get into this, and this is a good tip if you really want to have overages every week. So, you know, a couple weeks back, they were a big moneymaker for 2 of the days, and rain checks are back. So I got a rain check for it, and I didn't mention that because it was like the next day on that Friday that I got a rain check for it. So what I'm getting into is whenever there's a huge moneymaker on something, and these Tena pads are a $9.65 moneymaker when I go out to the breakdown, you know, get a rain check. If it's a moneymaker, if it's gonna make you money on your grocery haul next time, get a rain check. And if it's gonna make you money, most likely it's gonna be sold out. And just say, hey, can I get a rain check for this item? And sure enough, I got a rain check. I redeemed it today so I could get up to like my 75. That really helped because, they're 8 of them are $5.99 each. Comes at $51.51 when you factor the tax. And rain check takes $2 off, so I get each one for $3.99. And each one. Where are we here? Okay, each one was $3.99. So when you factor tax for 8 of them at $3.99, comes to $34.31. I used 8 of the $3 off manufacturer printable coupons that I had. They are expired, of course, but if it fell within the rain check period, they will honor it. So I used 3 of those. That was $24 to good. Also, I used 4 of the $5 off of 2 store coupons that obviously expired on Friday, February 10th or something like that, but they have honor those because it's in the rain check period. I also saw there was a Publix digital coupon for $10 off of 30. I was hoping that would come off there and make that a $19.69 overage, but it didn't, and I did not complain. Okay, whatever. I guess because it was not in that range, the computer definitely got smart on that one. But regardless, it was $34.31. Spent $24 from the manufacturer printable coupons, $20 from the store coupons, $9.69 overage on those Tena pads, which helped me build it to my 50. I didn't put it in the picture or whatever, but I got to include it because of the simple fact of the tip that if it's a huge money maker, you're going to get $9 to the good on those. Get a rain check. So maybe I should have told you that. Oh God, 2 weeks ago. But you know, best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. So now you know, if there's a huge overage, try to get a rain check on that. All right. Let's keep going. Snuggle Sheets. Where do they go? There they are. All right. Snuggle Sheets are $4.99. So for 2 of them, when you factor the tax, they come to $10.73. However, they're BOGO, so $4.99. Factor the tax, they come to, I guess $5.34. Use 2 of the $1.50 off manufacturer coupon from the Save $2.19. That took $3 off, so only $2.34 spent on those 2. It does say a limit of 1, but those insert coupons, they don't even look at them. they just scan. I had a great cashier today. Thank you. All right, Kodiak waffles. These are like Eggos, I guess. They're frozen. They're in the frozen section. Regular price $6.59 at my store, so for 2 of them, be $13.18. No tax on food here in Florida, so that it would be $6.59 for both of them. There is a manufacturer printable. I got the link to print that below. I used 2 of those. That took $2 off. They were $1 and $1. Ibotta has $1 back on each box, so that gave you $2 to the good. Also, Fetch gave me 2,000 points because I went over $10 worth of Kodiak products, so that was another $2 good. Make these guys only 59 cents total. All right, North Sides. The regular price for these guys are $1.43. Such an odd price, but who cares, you know? $1.40. There's no 1.99s anymore. It's $1.43, but $1.43. So for 4 of them, $5.72. However, they're BOGO, so you get 4 of them for $2.86. I had in my Unilever email $1 off of 4. So probably the worst coupon, but I know there's one that is $1.50 off of 2, which would be an awesome moneymaker, and you could kind of stock up on those. But unfortunately, mine was only $1 off of 4, so you'll do better than me on that. Sign up for Unilever, and hopefully you're watching my channel. You already have. Go to back some past emails, unlock coupon in that email, and it'll bring you up these guys and a bunch of other Unilever products as a Unilever product. And so let's see, 186 total for these guys. All right, Kid Cuisine, regular price $2.99. They're on sale for $2.50. There's Publix digital coupon that takes $1 off. Made that guy only $1.50. Cedars hummus, regular price $4.99. So for 2 of them, $9.98. They're BOGO, so you get 2 of them for $4.99. I don't have it on the table, but there's a manufacturer printable. I got the link to print it below. That takes $1 off of 2. Made both of those only $3.99 total. Not that good of a deal, but when you got this going on where you're going to get 10 off twice, that's 20 off. You got this is another $10 to the good. You know, I'm getting more and more stuff. And hey, maybe you like hummus, you want to get, as I said, and I've said it before, when it's BOGO and you got a coupon, you're going to win. You're going to beat Walmart's regular price no matter what. All right. Aquophor ointment. These are $6.09 each. Yes, we're odd pricing again. Now $5.99, $6.09 each for these guys. No tax in the state of Florida for these guys. $12.18 total. I used 2 of these store coupons. It takes $2 off. Expires tomorrow, so run and get that if you want. From the I got the link below for what the detail below. I believe it's from the save January 29th, $3 off any Aquophor body ointment. I used 2 of those. That was $6 to the good, and then coupons.com had $2 to the good. So in total, that made these 2 guys only 18 cents. Allegra 12 count 11. Oh, did I do this one already? I may have. Let's see. Allegra 12 count. These regular price $11.99. If I'm double talking, I am sorry. $11.99 for this guy. I did already tell you about this deal. $11.99 for this guy, and well, $5 from the store coupon, $5 manufacturer coupon. Made $1.99, as I just told you about 2 minutes ago. All right, Kraft grated cheese. Right there. This is another one of the worst deals on the table. So regular price for the Kraft grated cheese is $4.69 for 2 of them. Would be $9.38. No tax on those. They're on sale for 2 for $6, so you get 2 of them for $6. There is a manufacturer coupon. It's kind of like a peel. It's kind of in front of the item. It was 50 cents off of each one. It took $1 to the good. Bada also has 50 cents back for each one, so there's another $1 to the good, only $4 spent. There's also a Publix digital coupon that takes $1 off of 2. I just seen these and I used those instead. So that made that only $4 for both of them. So pretty good deal on those. 2 good, no, let's go. Healthy Choice steamers. Right there. Regular price for this guy, $3.63. It's on sale for $3. Publix digital coupon takes $1 off. Made that only $2 for that guy. 2 good smoothies right in front of it. Regular price. These are just regular price, $1.89. They were like $1 last week. Their $1.89 is the regular price. There is a Blinky coupon right in front of them. I used 2 of those. That took 65 cents off each one. That's $1.30 to the good. And then Bada has $1, or some may have 50 cents, some may have $1. So that was $1 for both of them. So that was $2 to the good. So made those guys only 48 cents total. All right, Finish Quantum dishwasher packs, I guess they're called. Dishwasher packs. What are these? Yeah, these are dishwasher packs. Or yes, there's a dish right on there. Glass right on there. All right. So regular price for these are $8.89 with tax, $9.98. Yeah, $9.56. They're on sale for $6.99, so a little sale price. Factory tax $7.51. There's a manufacturer printable coupon that takes $2 off, or there's a digital coupon. I use the manufacturer printable coupon because it just says vendor coupon on the receipt. And I'll get into that in a second. Ibotta has $2 back, and then coupons.com gives you $2 back as well. Vendor coupon. You get what I'm saying? It's invisible, or vendor coupon could be for any and all of these. And all. But anyways, $7.51, $2 from the manufacturer coupon or digital coupon, $2 from Ibotta, $2 from coupons.com. Made that guy only $1.51. Chobani Oat Milk. You can get the creamer or the oat milk. However, you want to get the oat milk because there's a Ibotta offer. So, regular price of these are $4.99. So for two of them, be $9.98. They're BOGO, so you get two of them for $4.99. There is a manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source January 29th that takes $1 off of two. So you want to use that. Ibotta has $1 back on each one. That gives $2 to the good. Checkout 51 gives you $1 off of two as well. That's another $1 to the good, making that only 99 cents for both of those. All right, Schick Extreme. Wow, there it is. Didn't see it. Regular price $8.49 for this guy. Factor the tax $9.13. It's on sale for $2 off. So it comes to $6.49. Factor the tax. It comes to $6.98. There's a manufacturer printable coupon for $1 off or $4 off. There's also coupons.com has $4 off. Made that $1.02 overage. So delicious. Simply, these are $2. They were $1.99 last week. They're $2 now. Maybe the different flavors, different more. So $2 for this guy right there. Get that one that says Simply, So Delicious Simply. There is a Blinky coupon in front of it. Takes $1.65 off. And there is also, 5.3 ounce. Yeah, 5.3 ounce. Takes 65 cents off. There is also an Ibotta rebate limit of 1 that took $1.50 off. So that gave you $2.15 to the good, making that a 15-cent overage right there. All right, Siggis. I don't know if I got the right one or not, but I thought they were $1 each, but they rang up $1.99 each. I saw that was supposed to be the deal, but anyways, it was still a good deal. $1.99 each for two of them, $3.98. There is a manufacturer printable coupon, $1 off of two. I got the link to print that below. It's $1 to the good. Ibotta has $2.29 back on two, so that gives me $2.29, $3.29, and $3.98. Spent only 69 cents total for those guys. So a good deal, and always helped me work up to my $75 threshold. Last guy, last deal, Dannon Light and Fit. This deal just popped up this morning, so I don't know how many couponers did it. Dannon Light and Fit 0 sugar 4 count, regular price $4.99. So for two of them, they come to $9.98. There is a Publix digital coupon for buy one get one. So that should take $4.99 off, but it took $4.89 off. Whatever, it's okay. There's also an Ibotta rebate that gives you $2 back. So I don't know the limit on it, but I did it twice. I got $2 back twice, so that's $4 to good. So $9.98 spent, $4.89 back from the Publix digital coupon. $4 back from Ibotta made that only $1.09. And once again, I used two of these 75 cents. It's expiring soon. So who knows what I'm going to do next week. I might not even have a video next week. I have a friend coming in town, so I might slack off next week. But anyways, once again, over $217 worth of good. Over a $5 overage money maker right there. Once again, please subscribe to that funny looking guy right there. Check out my more paid to shop videos, and I'll throw in some more videos, some funny videos here and there. But everybody enjoy their couponing this week.